Hi fam, it's Linda Word and I am coming with the video to let y'all know about some more hair. Yes, I did. So I've been wanting some Vietnamese hair and I really do want some Burmese hair, but I went ahead and got the Vietnamese hair. Now this is, well, it came priority mail. I already opened it up. This is the bag that it came in. And then when I opened that bag up, this is the hair. So like I said, I already opened it up. I got 3 bundles of 22-inch Vietnamese hair. Now, this was raw hair, but it did have a steam process on it to make it curly. And there's the hair. Now, I will say it smells like hair. It would have been nice if it was washed. It was not. So I got 3 bundles. I did wash and open one of the bundles, and this is washed, and it smells really good now. But this is how it looks washed compared to that. Now, I don't know if the camera can pick it up, but throughout the hair, I can see like brown hairs. Just kind of strange. But, well, it's not even brown, it's like a bronze. But yeah, anyway, that's weird. But yeah, this is the hair washed and wet. It's still kind of damp, so it has not dried yet. I've already ran the dimming brush through it, but let's run it through again. Now, yeah, I know I'm not going to wear no 22-inch hair, because that would yeah, I'm not wearing 22-inch hair. So I will be cutting the hair. But along with the 3 bundles, this hair I got from Hair Crush by Denise. Hope I'm saying that right. But I'll link her YouTube channel and her website below. Let me do something with this hair. I've been off work due to some surgery and stuff, but I have not been doing anything with this hair other than just putting it up. As you can see, it's lifting right there, but I am not getting ready to do it again. I'm just going to leave it as is. So, yeah, now this hair is my raw Indian hair. And it's holding up just fine. Love it, love it, love it. But yeah, I'm not doing anything with the hair. I may even just take it off because I'm not going anywhere. My next doctor's appointment is like on the 24th. So I might take it off, wash it, and reapply it the night before. Anyway, so I got that. I also got a frontal. Now the frontal, Hair Crush does not have frontals as of yet. I actually talked to her and she said that, you know, once she finds a good vendor for it, then they'll put the frontals out there. But they do have closures, and I don't want a closure. So, this is the package that's very beat up from Raw Hair. So yeah, let's see what this frontal looks like. Now, for the bundles, I paid $97 per bundle. And when I went back to her website to kind of look at stuff, I noticed that the price of the bundles went up to $112. So, okay.
How can he be so blind? We both got the same.
Now from Raw Hair, this frontal cost me $245. It is not pre-plucked. It is not bleached. But I would think for $245, they could have plucked it and bleached it. I'm just saying. But this is what the hair looks like. And this is a body wave.
But it's something about the way she makes me feel. Lord, I'm scared, so scared of what I do.
That's gonna match.
If she starts to feeling that
It might.
way too, yeah.
I know it's not. So I'll probably end up
We got a
curling this hair and blow drying it out. But yeah, so although they say the frontal's not pre-plucked,
It's not that she leads me home.
see this better.
I'm getting there all by myself. But just being with her,
Actually, it looks pretty good.
all alone. I can't help but hoping that it never comes home. She didn't trust me so much. I think you really trust me too much. I wish you didn't trust me so much. We've got a problem, baby.
So, okay. And I am not going to pluck this unit. I am going to cut the baby hairs shorter because I don't like long baby hairs like that. It's just way too long. So I will be doing that, but I'm not even going to bleach the knots. I stopped doing that with my units. Over time, you are going to lose hair on your frontal anyway, mainly too because I sweat. Because I glue mine down. So as you take the glue off, rub the glue off of the frontal, you are pulling hair out. Not a lot if you do it properly. So that's why I'm not going to pluck it. I stopped doing that, and I'm not going to bleach the knots either. This is a 14-inch Vietnamese raw body wave. You get the raw hair care guide. You get the alert telling you to wash the hair before you install it, which I always do. And then just another hair care tip and my receipt. So it's a 13x4 medium brown natural color 14-inch body wave frontal. So that's that. I will be taking my time making the unit because I got nothing but time, so I'm gonna take my time. Another thing that I bought, I've always used B&B, but B&B changed their formula, and so it's less stringy, but it dries quickly when you put it on. So I went ahead and purchased some Ultra Hold, and I'm going to be using that instead of the B&B. I also got some Design Essentials, Silk Essentials, so I'll be using that on my hair. Got 2 of them. So yeah, that's about it. So I'm excited about the new hair, but again, lengthwise, when I took this roll loose, it's about 2 arm lengths in one bundle. So originally looking at it, I was like, oh my God, this is not enough hair. But this is definitely 3 bundles is going to be more than enough to make a unit. Now let me show you the wefts on this. The wefts, well, here's the beards. You can see that. The beards are very short and the wefts are very, very super thin. Super thin wefts. Also, when I took this out, the wefts were kind of hard, so it felt like they were sealed. After I washed them, they're loosened up, but I can still feel somewhat of a stiffness to it, so I believe the wefts are sealed, which is a good thing. Something I don't have to do. So yeah, that's it. God, I hate saying and I don't know why I'm saying it. I've never, okay, let me say I never, because y'all go back on my video and be like, she said all the time. I try not to say but yes, that's the video. So my next video will be showing you, I'm not going to do a video on how I make the wig. There's 1,000,001 videos on YouTube on how folks construct their wigs. I have videos on how I constructed my wigs, so I'm not going to post that. I'll just come back when the wig is made and how I'm going to probably flat iron it out and then curl it and show you how it looks. But I'm not going to cut it. I won't cut it until, I'm actually ready to wear it somewhere. But since I'm going to be off from work for a while, probably a couple of months, I'll just be strutting long hair. So yeah, okay, bye y'all.